Hey, nice to see you again and welcome to a new CrocFIX video tutorial. So at the beginning I would like to say, maybe if this video will help you or maybe save you some money, I would really appreciate if you make a donation, because I really put a lot of effort in this video, take a lot of time and to help you guys, so I would appreciate. The link is in the video description, and feel free also to comment, let me know if the video did work, and share the video. Yes? Okay, thank you. So we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 LITE, and if you forgot the password here, if you can't unlock the phone, so if you forgot the PIN number, then there is a basic procedure with which you can unlock the phone. Again, I'm sorry, I mean the tablet. So, if you want to unlock the tablet, what you will need is the tablet itself, and of course, an USB-C cable connected to your computer, your laptop, your Apple device, or maybe to your notebook, or you can also connect it to another tablet, another phone, if you have USB-C to USB-C. Just the cable needs to be connected to the tablet and the other end to a device, not to a charger, okay? So after this reset, after the factory reset, we will remove the screen lock, but you will need to activate the tablet with your Google account, with your Gmail account, if you had previously in that tablet. So what we do now? Firstly, you need to press volume up, volume up, volume down, and the power button, all three buttons together, and hold these three buttons until the tablet restarts. So just keep holding, still keep holding, okay? After the tablet restart, you release the volume down button and power button and keep holding volume up button. Okay, so if you see that the tablet is charging, then it was only a shutdown. So then you will need to press volume up and the power button. When you see this, you press these buttons and hold it until you see the Samsung logo, okay? Then you release the power button and keep holding the volume up button. So once you see the Samsung logo, you just keep holding the volume up button and release the power button. Alright? Now you can disconnect the cable and you are in the recovery menu. If you see here download and a green screen, then you have pressed too long the volume down button and this was not correct. So you will need to repeat the procedure by clicking to, it says on the tablet cancel, you click on cancel, it will reboot again, and then you can again hold the power button and the volume up button. Alright? These two buttons are the key, so please remember. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. So, once you are in the recovery menu, you go down and choose, you go through the menu with the volume up and volume down buttons. So you go through the menu down to wipe data factory reset. So maybe some of you don't have this option. If you don't have this option, it means it was locked and you will need to use Odin software to reflash the tablet, alright? So in this case, now here we go to wipe data factory reset and confirm with the power button. Confirm. And then again, it asks us if we really want to factory data reset. We go down and confirm with this power button. Keep in mind, if you do this, all data, photos, videos, applications will be erased. It will be done a factory reset and you will need to activate the tablet with your Google account and the password. So you see here factory data reset. Click here on power button to confirm, and now wait a little bit. Now you wait until this is done. Alright, so formatting data, data wipe completed, and that's it. Now you just click on reboot system now and confirm with the power button here. So now the tablet will start again. It will come to the Android system and you will just use it like you bought it today. But maybe you need to enter your Gmail and your password. So once again, to put many time and many effort in this video, I would appreciate if you make a donation if the video of course did help you. Let me also note in the comments if it did work, if you want to say thank you, and you can also share and like it. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.